This tutorial demonstrates the use of the Open PHACTS Explorer to obtain integrated compound information based on known structures, and the use of substructure or similarity-based searches to find similar compounds. In the navigation tree on the left-hand side, expand the compound folder and then select Compound by Structure to open the tab. Here the navigation panel can be minimized for easier viewing. There are two ways to enter a chemical structure. If you know the compound SMILES string, you can paste it directly in the SMILES entry box, and then hit Search to complete the query. Alternatively, to draw the structure, click on the Draw Structure button to open the structure editor. Here you can use the inbuilt tools to draw the desired structure. Click on the Use Structure button to convert your 2D image into a SMILES string, and then hit Search to complete the query. Note that the default search mode is by exact structure. You can also opt to search by substructure or similarity by selecting the appropriate radio buttons. For similarity searches, select the method to be used: Tanimoto Similarity Index, Tversky Index, or Euclidean Distance. The default similarity threshold is 90, but you can change this to widen or narrow the result set. Here, for example, 70. Similarly, the number of records is limited to 100 by default, but can be changed. Hit Search to complete your query. You can also search for related compounds based on substructures by choosing the Substructure Search radio button. Choose a number of desired hits, such as 40, and then hit Search again. Above the table you have the option to turn provenance on, to see from which data source the data is derived. Note that the colour coding scheme used for provenance can be seen by placing the cursor over the question mark icon. Data sources are also indicated by icons that appear below the data. For example, a compound name comes from the Concept Wiki, the molecular formula from Chembl, a log P from ChemSpider, and the melting point from DrugBank. Clicking on these icons links out to the appropriate page on the original data source. For example, clicking on the DrugBank icon takes you to this DrugBank page for tropicamide. Returning to the Open PHACTS Explorer page, we'll see what other information is available from the table of results. The first two columns show the 2D image and the name of the compound. The next columns display the calculated and measured physicochemical properties, followed by SMILES and INCHI keys. The data can be sorted by any of these columns, for example by molecular weight. Alternatively, you can arrange the columns in the order you prefer by clicking on the column header and then dragging it to the desired location. You can also select the columns to display by placing the mouse over the column section and unchecking the boxes next to the display column headers, e.g. we can hide molecular formula and melting point. You can access further information about a compound of interest by using the right-click mouse button anywhere within the row. Clicking on the Search for Compound by Pharmacology button opens a new tab showing fuller pharmacological information about the compound. For further guidance on this view, please see Pharmacology by Compound tutorial. Placing your mouse over the copy option gives you the option to copy the SMILES string to your clipboard. You can use this to search for further structurally related compounds as before. You can also download the displayed results for further analysis by clicking on the Download TSV file button. This is a beta release of the software and as such is subject to ongoing updates based on user feedback. The basic tasks shown in this tutorial will remain representative, but there may be small changes. Thank you.